Put a soap in the toilet deposit and you will always want to thank me. Pay close attention, because when you learn this trick, you will start doing it today. It has happened to almost everyone that when we do our necessities in the bathroom, part of the waste is stuck on the edges of the toilet or toilet. This is unpleasant, especially after cleaning the bathroom, but don't worry. Today, I will teach you a very easy, fast, and cheap trick to prevent it from happening again. First, choose a soap, preferably flavored with the brand you prefer. There are 2 ways to do this trick, and then I will show you so that you choose the one that seems most convenient to you. The first option is to use a mask or mouth cover. With the help of scissors, cut a part of the end of the mask and place the soap inside. Then wrap and tie the mask with the band you cut. If you don't have a mouth cover, you can do it using a deteriorated sock. Once you have done either of the 2 methods, proceed to test them in the toilet. Remove the lid from the tank and, using the sock, insert it and wrap it around one of the tubes in the toilet. For the second option, with the soap inside the mask, tie the mask in one of the tubes and wait 5 to 10 minutes. After this time, you can unload the toilet. The soap will mix with the water, making it very soft when pulling the chain. This slippery mixture will cover the walls of the toilet, preventing any residue from sticking. It will also provide a pleasant aroma to the bathroom, leaving it clean and scented. If you find this video useful, don't forget to subscribe so that you are the first to receive our videos.